We all dream of building a home for ourselves and our family, and it's very financially involving and emotionally draining. For those of you who would wish to build a house, but you lack the whole amount of money at once, those who wish to build in stages, this video is for you, so stick around until the end. My name is Orio Victor. I'm a builder with the Gen Z today. With over 20 years experience in the construction industry, I wish to share some of this experience with you. So join me. This house, we started building it, it's been quite a while, about 3-4 years ago. And just like typically all the ventures that sometimes you start, even business, you wish sometimes to start and finish the house at once, but because of one reason or another, you are not able to finish it. At times, it's not even about the finances. Sometimes it could be work, it could be transfer. Yeah, it could be that maybe you haven't gotten the right fundi or the contractor. Sometimes also you may just wish just to pause, so that you can also gather yourself, gather your thoughts, so that you can continue with building your house in a way, or in a manner that is going to suit your lifestyle. So this is a 4-bedroom bungalow that we've been building in stages. At least for this one, for the skeleton, we were able to do the ground floor, the substructure, the superstructure, and finish it all, and even up to and including the plaster. Then after that, now the client took time to gather himself and put basically all his thoughts and finances in order, so that we're able to do the finishes. So the finishes, as you'll see, we've been doing them in stages. Yeah. So when they get money, we come and do the tiling. And when you build a house in stages, it doesn't mean that when you build a house in stages, it doesn't mean that you build it in a substandard way. In fact, for them, what I like about them is that they're doing it in stages, but they are getting quality stuff. Like if it's the tiles, you get them the quality stuff that you can get around. If it's about the sanitary wares, everything is done as per their lifestyle, and at that time when they get the finances. So they are not under any pressure to finish the house. Because it's also a home. It's a house that is built in their rural home in Siaya County. So I'll take you through so that you can understand what I'm talking about in terms of the quality and the quantity of work. So if you have money, you wish to build a house, but you don't have like the entire sum, So we at Gen Z today, we're able to break it down in stages. As long as it's a stage that is making sense, it's making sense even for us, because also, apart from the fact that we want also to build a house for you, but we're also in business, And sometimes if you put it in very, very small stages, it's expensive on you and even on us, because mobilization of the fundis, of the materials also take time and resources. So this one, we made it in such a way that there are stages that are making sense in terms of work, and in terms of even in terms of quantity of work to be done. So we've done it all that through, and so I want to encourage you, you as a developer who may wish to build, and you don't have the whole amount of money, you can always get in touch with us again today. We'll be able to advise you. Also prepare a BQ for you, and we prepare it in stages, or even a schedule of materials with labor, so that you're able to know this stage you're going to use this amount of money in terms of material. This stage you're also going to do this. It's going to cost this amount of money for the labor. So we are very flexible. So get encouraged that that dream house of yours is still possible, even if you don't have the entire amount of money at once. You can do it in stages, do it well, do it according to your lifestyle and according to your budget, and eventually you still have your dream house, because now you also have to cut the cost according to your size. So welcome to this house. If we start from outside here, uh, um, we did this grill, steel grill for the external. Internally, we had a timber door. This is a timber. This is solid mahogany, you know. And also, you will notice that we also avoid nowadays breaking the door into two. Like if you do a timber door and you break it into two so that you have like a double shutter, normally there's always a challenge when you want to lock this door. And then also aesthetically, I believe this one is looking much better than than the double shutter. Yeah, so this is the door. So welcome inside. Let me take you through. Sir, come here. Yeah, so welcome to the interior of this 4-bedroom house. So it's quite spacious, as you can see, going all the way up to there. So, okay. Then we have this one is what we call an accent wall. This one is what we call an accent wall. An accent wall is basically a wall that contrasts with the rest of the room in terms of the finishes or the painting. So this wall, we actually we hope to do natural stone cladding, mostly Mazera. For those of you who have seen most of my the houses I've been building, I always like to do a tint of cladding stone. It can be Mazeras, it can be the normal quarry stone, or just any stone that has been cladded well. It can be yellow stone, blue stones, or anything, just to give the room a bit of a natural feel. I know we've been doing a lot of contemporary designs where everything is modern, the walls, the TV cabinets, and everything. But for me, I normally don't mind having a touch of a natural feel. Give it just a bit of a rustic feel in the room, just a bit of it. So we have one here, and then another one that I'll show you. We have it there at we have it there at the island, the kitchen island. Yeah. So just to help in symmetry and balance. So we've said this is the accent wall. This is where we have our TV cabinet. We've provided enough sockets for everything in this room. The lighting we said is enough for the house. Then when you look at the ceiling, it's a gypsum ceiling. We've made it a simple one. Yeah, as you can see, it's not protruding. We've basically just done a small space in between the gypsum. There where we are going to put our snake light, just to add elegance to the lounge, and feature just subtle, moderate decorations that are perfectly designed to complement the snake light, and creating a serene and calm environment in the lounge. You've seen we provided points for the TV somewhere in the middle, and on the lower is where you can have your TV. You have your DSTV, or you have your decoder, or you have your DVD, or any other stuff that you need to plug on the lower side. So I've told you this house, we've been doing it in stages. This is now our dining area. This is our dining area. As you can see from the lounge, you come to the dining. There is where we have our vanity at the corner, So this is the dining. It's an open kitchen, open living. Below the granite top, also whatever we do on that wall is what we are going to do here, just to help with the symmetry of the house. So if we do the natural mazellas there, natural stone cladding there, that is what we'll come and do here. So you have your island cabinet there. This is our kitchen. Yeah. Please just concentrate on the interiors. We have other things on that are not part of the interior, but as I've told you, this house is still under construction, and also the client also had already occupied it. So this is your kitchen. That is the sink. That is the back door. Then here we have our cooker area. Then you have our pantry. This is our pantry with enough light. Yeah. So from the kitchen, now you can see the island top. This is where you have it. Then that is the dining. From the dining, then come see. I want you to see from this side. See that is the dining. What I like about the dining and the kitchen, in as much as it's an open living, but if you are in the lounge here, you really can't see what is happening in the kitchen. Unless you come here, is when you can be able to see whatever is happening in the kitchen, you know. So the kitchen and the dining are on one line, then the lounge is here. So, okay, so we enter into the other rooms. Here we have a door, and here we have a door that goes into the corridor where we have the bedrooms. This door leads to the we call it the visitors cloakroom. Yeah. So from here, then we open this door. Now this is the corridor that leads into the other rooms. So we enter into bedroom number 1. This is the first bedroom. Yeah. So this is the first bedroom on your right. That's where we have our bed. We've considered everything. Where we have we have the bed switch, you have the socket. As usual for the gypsum, we just did a little decoration on it, not a lot of stuff. Then we also have that's our wardrobe for the bedroom. That is how we partition it. So on the left side you can put clothes, shirts above, and even shirts in the middle, and then the other shelves is for folding clothes. So this is the second bedroom. Same design, gypsum on the ceiling, big window. Yeah. Then the bathroom also is there. You know. So also I have a wardrobe here. What I like about the bathrooms are the sliding, and this is glass. No more timber. This also has. Then the toilet there, the shower. Then we have our cabinet, beautifully done, in our door. Then there's another bedroom here. Yeah, it's another bedroom. And we enter into the master. You can see how we did the strip windows, how they are adding aesthetic to the room, and even lighting. So this is the master. It's quite large. This space here is small, can be used as an office, it can be used as a prayer room. It's basically a miscellaneous space for anything that you may wish to do privately in the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. You can see. This is what we call a bay window. It's an extra space where you can even have a two-seater here with a table in the middle, or you can do a cabinet, a top, like a timber top on it, and use it for reading, or even just have a desk placed in between there, designed specifically for that space. The master bedroom has quite large storage space. In the master bedroom, we also decided to have this wall partition. Behind there, we have the door leading to the master bath. This wall partition was just to add beauty to the master bedroom, and also to create a false space behind the storage unit, that is the wardrobe. But on top of that, also we also included 3 wall niches just to add to the beauty of the decorative wall. This is where you have the wardrobes, the storage come like this, then you enter like this, then you have the this is the master bath. See the master bath. That's where we have the shower. The shower is big enough. You know, it doesn't matter your size, you just fit into the shower. Then we have our vanity there. Yeah, beautifully done. Remember, the house is still under construction in the interiors. So inside there is where we have the toilets. Yeah, so the toilet actually has its own separate door, and the shower area is quite spacious. Yeah. Oh, I love this. See. Look at the workmanship. This is just skimming and the undercoat. We've not done the final painting for this house. This bedroom design seamlessly blends beauty and functionality, thoughtfully incorporating all the elements of design, creating a visually appealing and incredibly practical design. And this is what we do at Ujenzi today. Please bring your projects for us, both new and innovations, for this type of workmanship. We appreciate your effort and your struggle of getting money by giving you well-designed and beautiful functioning homes. Well, you've now seen you've now seen the work that we are doing inside, and basically this video was to encourage you, the viewer who wants to build but lacks the complete or the total sum of money that can help him to build the house at once. So we want to tell you that it's possible for you to build a house in stages, and the house still to come when you get money, even if it's for the foundation, it's for the walling. You're able to do it in stages, but do it well and do it according to the dream that you've always had, you know. So it doesn't mean that when you build in stages you are taking any shortcut here, and you're able to do it, but you're doing it well and to the standard. Thank you for watching Ujenzi today. I hope you've learned something. Please like and subscribe to this channel for more of this type of videos.